Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class student. Today date is 1st December 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 15. Name of the chapter means of communication. So, we have already completed question number D, that is short answer question. Now today student we will start question number E. Answer the following, and these are long answer questions. Okay. So question number 1, differentiate between individual communication and mass communication with the help of a example. So when we are talking about the individual communication, it means we are talking about the personal mean of communications. Okay, it means we are talking about the personal mean of communication. Okay, so for example, the personal mean of communications are when we talk or when we speak to someone or when we read or write, that is known as communication. Okay, now the postal communication is also very important individual mean of communication in the past time. Okay, so we can write letters or we can send greeting cards to our friends, relatives and family member or our family member with the help of these services, and these services are available in the post office. Okay, these services are available in the post office. Okay, from the post office we can buy inland letter, postcards or envelopes too, and with the and we can write letters and we can post that letters in different parts of the country with the help of a post office services. In the same manner, after that, telephone also become a very popular mean of communication. Okay, so it becomes the fastest mean of communication. That is the after postal communication, telephone become the fastest mean of communication. Is it clear? Telephone become the fastest mean of communication. Okay, so we can send letter, we can talk to our friends, our family members and relatives, whether they are living in any part of the country or whether they are living in abroad. Abroad means in other country. So with the help of this service we can communicate with our relatives, friends and family members also. Okay, now if you see in the present time, if we are talking about the present time, so when we are talking about the present time, then student, as we know that now this time mobile become the most popular mean of communication, because mobile, we can very easily carry the mobile with us. it is not connected to the wires. ठीक है, ये वायर से कनेक्टेड नहीं होता है, इसको इसलिए आप कैरी कर सकते हो. देयर आर मेनी मीन ऑफ एंड इट इज़ वेरी एडवांस mean of communication. You can talk anyone to any part of the country or in any other country also, and you can send a picture message also with the help of your mobile. You can send you can do video calling. The person to whom you are talking, you can see the face of that person also. So many options are given in there, in this smartphone, that is known as mobile. Okay, you can hear the songs, you can watch the movies, you can watch your favorite serials, even you can watch your favorite sports, you can play many games, and even mobile are very helpful for your teaching also. Okay, so at the time of covid, maximum online classes are running with the help of these mobiles. Okay, so there are many facilities which we present in our mobile phone. You can send messages with the help of your mobile, you can email. Okay, you can send a email. So many facilities are available in the mobile. So these are the individual mean of communication. In the same manner, when we spread the same message to large number of people at the same time, or you can say in a very short time, that is known as mass mean of communication. Is it clear? That is known as mass mean of communications. So what are the example of mass mean of communication? Mass mean of communications are newspaper है, magazines है, your books. Okay, so these are the example of mass mean of communication. Your radio also, your television also. So these are the mean of mass communication. Okay, so the same message can be spread to a large number of people at the same time or in a very short time with the help of service, and this service is known as mass communication. So now note down the answer. First of all, note down the function differentiate. Differentiate between individual communication and mass communication. Give examples. Now note down the answer. The means of communication where only one or two people are involved to communicate is called it individual communication. Okay. For example, letter, phone, greeting card, SMS, extra. Okay. So the means of communication where only one or two people are involved. Okay. To communicate is called individual communication. For example, letter, phone, greeting cards, SMS, extra. So this is mean of individual communication. So I am rubbing the board. Now I will write what is mean of mass communication. The means of spreading information to a large number of people in a very short time is called it mass communication. For example, radio, newspaper, television, okay, note down the answer. The means of spreading information to large number of people in a very short time is called mass communication. For example, radio, newspaper, television. You can take a screenshot. Question number 2. What is postal communication. How did it bring the world close a few years back? So note down the answer. The cheapest and most popular method of communication by post is called postal communication. For example, inland letter, postcard, and envelopes. Okay. Postal communication helped to bring the world close a few years back. Okay, so what is postal communication? The cheapest and most popular method of communication by post is called it postal communication. And what are the example of postal communication? That is inland letters, postcards and envelopes. So these facilities are available in the post offices. Okay, so in this manner postal communication helped to bring the world close a few years back. Okay, so and the most important thing is that in every cities we have many post office. Okay, in every city we have many post office, and to find out the exact location or exact area of any letter, exact place of any letter, so the most helpful one is the pin code. Okay, thank you student.